St Boswell's RFC, giving you the fixtures and updates on players and keeping you alive to what's going on at the Brantwood Club. On the 9th of December, we're away to Sturgeon. On the 16th of December, have got the ball, been cleared up, it's 15 yards, close up high there, but he's been upended. The ref's not paying. I don't know whether he's realised what's happening there, but they're certainly not happy there. Close not happy. Anderson's running around in circles. He gives the ball to Graham McElroy, the captain, drives forward. They've gone about 10 yards. Anderson has the ball to Shield. Shield gives it to McGarvey. McGarvey gives it to Broom, coming in on an angle. Broom's giving it Bevan Hart inside, and he's 15 yards. He's running towards the post. Hart could go all the way here. Yes, Hart's went all the way right through the middle there, and he scored to the left of the post there. Hart has went right through the middle from. It was a great move by McGarvey. He appeared to going to give the ball to Scott Elliott. He dummied, and here was Broom coming the inside of him. He gave the ball to Broom, and Broom gave it to Bevan Hart, who appeared from nowhere there, and Bevan Hart went all the way to score. He appeared from nowhere. Hart, I don't know where he appeared from there, but he just went straight down the middle. There was two boys catched him on the line, but he quite easily scored. You've seen him putting the ball down there. I thought he would tackle, but he'd gotten over the line, and it's McGarvey just in front of the post to the right. This should be a relatively easy kick compared with the other two, and I think he's just going to chip this over. And the score here at Jenny Moores Road is 13-3 to St Boswell's. 50 yards, and it'll have to be a line out to St Boswell's there. I couldn't make out that one unless it touched the St Boswell's player before when the standoff cleared it, but it didn't appear to. He seemed to slice it. They're up in the line out, close up high. He's got his hand in. Elliot Hunter has it. Elliot Hunter gives it to Shield. He's on the run there. McGarvey, and it's Tommy Chapman coming in at an angle, and he's right down the middle. He's running right down the middle, and he's broken all tackles. He's going for the line. I don't know whether he's going to make it. He's still running, and he's running. As Chapman made, Chapman's made the line. A brilliant run by Chapman there. A brilliant run by Chapman. He seemed to break through, and he kept on running, and he seemed to go on and on. He was chased by 2 or 3 there, and he just seemed to make the line. It's a fair distance from here, but I thought he's not going to make the line, but he's made it. Chapman's in at the corner. He's back on form. McGarvey's kicked it from the touchline here. McGarvey's kicked that. He's now 20 points to 3. St Boswell's have turned it into pressure there. A great run by Chapman, and he broke through, and McGarvey is in kicking form. He hasn't missed one. That 2 penalties, 2 conversions. The McGarvey there, he's in top form there, kicked it straight from the touchline, and it's now 20 points to 3 for St Boswell's here at Jenny Moores Road, and we're still in the first half. St Boswell's are playing the work. It goes high up, Cole has it, and he's kicked it, so he's 20 yards into the St Boswell's half, and it's Anderson, it's on the ground. Shield has it again. He's giving it to Bevan Hart. Bevan Hart's a big run there. He makes about 10 metres. He's still 15 metres from the halfway line. They've got the Shield should really kick it. He's chipped it. He's put a chip into space over the halfway line. The scum half's back. He's on the ground. Shield allows him to get up. Yep, Shield's allowed him to get up. He's not that daft. He hasn't. But now the big prop's got the ball at the back. He's trying to bull his way through, but Scott Elliott and Michael Graham are having none of this. Dave Bradshaw puts in a tackle on number 5, and it's scum half again. He's giving it to the standoff. It's come off his Shield, he's kicked, but the scum half's down there on the ground. Shield has him, and he's on the ground. He's getting the ball back. Shield again tackle there. He was quickly on the man as the ball bounced off his leg. The scum half got in there, but he got back. The standoff again's had his catch. Anderson charges it down this time, and it's Dave Bradshaw. He's got the forward. They've still got the ball. They're running backwards, but they're coming forward now. He's trying to go past Scott Elliott, number 10, but Scott Elliott's having none on. Scott Elliott's got him down. The referee's waving his hand here. He's waving something. I don't know what. It's a scum, but some great play there. St Boswell's twice in the standoff had his kick charged down. First it come off his Shield's leg, and next it come off of Anderson. This is Dave the Brick Elliott live for St Boswell's, Jenny Moores Road. 20 points to 3 to St Boswell's here. I don't know what's happened to the Rod and Todd show. Rod and Todd haven't appeared. If they're out there, this is Dave the Brick Elliott looking for you. I'm having to serve the bar. I'm running the. No, I'm not running the line. Brian Tate's running the line. I think I'm selling the programmes as well. But here it's a scrum in the 15 yards, and Zeal's broken away, but he's been tackled by Anderson. And the St Boswell's have won the ball. They've lost the ball, but the referee's got his hand up. I think he's given a knock on the scrum half. Ran with the ball there. They were 10 yards into the Zeal half, playing towards the Kelso end. But I think the scrum half knocked the ball on. St Boswell's didn't gain an advantage from it, so he's given the scrum. I think it will be a St Boswell's scrum. Twice it was knocked down there. Anderson got his hands in Shields' leg. The ball was loose. St Boswell's are on it, but they didn't get possession there until just there. But it must have just went to Shields. Shields dancing about there, but he's been caught by about 3 men. But McElroy, the captain, and it's Bevan Hart. McElroy took it on. Bevan Hart again made a big break, and it's Elliot Hunter's got the ball. And St Boswell's forwards are laying it down, picking it up. They've gone about 20 yards, and it's McElroy again, the captain, and he's driving towards. They're trying to force him to deck to get the ball back. They're about 15 yards from the line. St Boswell's will need a quick ball here, but they're not going to get it. And Faggot in there, the ball's not getting released. I think the referee's given a penalty. Yes, he must give a penalty there. St Boswell's had great charge up there with the forwards. Hart, McElroy, both McElroys, Graham McElroy, Ali McElroy, both drove on there, and it was Hart made a great grab again, right down the middle there. Bevan Hart. It must be getting close to half time. Has anybody got a watch here from Dave the Brick Elliott? What time is it? Yeah, 25. I'd say there's 5 minutes to go here at Jenny Mills Road, and the score is 23 points to 3 to St Boswell's. Just coming up for half time. 5 minutes to go. DeZiel has the ball, and they've made a run here, and he's come up. And Faggot has him. Yes, he's about 20 yards from the halfway line. Bevan Hart's in there. The ball's gone to deck. The Boswell's forwards have champed them, but they're in there, and the ball's coming. Number 6 is in there, and it's 9. It's bound to be a penalty. There must be somebody handling the ball on the ground. Elliot Hunter, I think, handling the ball on the ground there. Shields shouting he was stupid. He no need to handle that ball. They should have let them have it. They were winning the ball. St Boswell should allow them to have it. Ali McElroy back up for the ground there. I think it was Elliot Hunter there with a hand, but who knows? The standoff kicks it. Out here, Leslie Blackwood, Raymond Blackwood. I see Adam Raven smiling there. They're all here today, and we've lost the road in touch. So I see there's a Hib supporter there. I see a Hib supporter, being a Hib supporter myself. The ball's gone to the halfway line. DeZiel has it. The number 14's coming in, and Arnold's gone across the halfway line. He's well tackled by Faggot. Faggot, the prop there, has put him down, but the referee's given something here. He's waving his hand. I think is he giving a penalty or a scrum? He's adjudged a knock on, I think. He's gave advantage to DeZiel. They're about 8 metres into the St Boswell's half, playing towards the Selkirk end here, and it's a scrum to DeZiel. They're 8 yards into the St Boswell's half. As I say, they gave advantage, but Faggot put in a tackle there, stopped the play, and the referee's gone back for the original offence, which must have been a knock on. So it's an 8 metres scrum to DeZiel. The ball's back at the number. He's picked it up. The number 8's given it to the scrum half. Shields in to take the scrum half. I don't know where Anderson. The big centre's broken through there, but he's been tackled. By McElroy there, and they've still got the ball. They're going forward. They're on the ground with the balls, and Boswell's are in there, but I think it must be a penalty. They must have handled that ball back. DeZiel had that ball. He gave advantage, but Ivan Tawar right through. He's scoring this time right between the sticks. He was not tackled that time, unfortunately. He's knocked his way right through. Shield had a hold of him. They won the ball against the head. It's Tate, I think. Tate has it, but he's been tackled, and the ball's at the back. But he's been tackled by McElroy there, and they've still got the ball. They're going forward. They're on the ground with the balls, and Boswell's are in there, but it's Tate. Yes, St Boswell's, yes, it's a victory here at Jenny Mills Road by 23 points to 20. St Boswell's have held out in the vital last moments to come good. St Boswell's 23, DeZiel. Take it with yourself. I've got no time. I've got the bar to do. This is Dave the Brick Elliott here on 106.9. Great victory for St Boswell's by 23 points to 20 here at Jenny Mills Road. A very exciting second half. St Boswell's were 23 points to 3 up at half time, but unfortunately pressure felt in the second half, and we lost 2 vital scores there. But here at Jenny Mills Road, a magnificent result for St Boswell's by 23 points to 20. So this is Dave the Brick Elliott here on 106.9, trying to get to the bar. I want to get into the club here. I'm the barman, and I'm doing the bar as well as doing the commentary.